Hey guys, so I have the new Fenty lip glosses today to try out. I'm so excited because it's Fenty Beauty, okay? I love Rihanna, you guys. Like, she's an Allen gal like me. So whenever, what the hell was that? So anyways, whenever Fenty launches something, I get so excited, especially lip glosses. Girl, I love lip gloss. You know it, and I know you do too. So today we're trying out the five new lip gloss for the holiday collection. And I'm so excited because they are popping, okay? I love the original Gloss Bomb, the Fenty Glow. I love Fussy, and I also love Diamond Milk. These are 4 new shades. Fussy is in this collection, so it's not new. But the 4 other shades are brand new for the holidays 2019. I tried them all out. I have 2 favorites, you guys. The one I thought I was gonna love, I ended up not loving it as much as I thought I did, as much as I thought I would. But I do have 2 favorites that I am obsessing over. Like, I'm wearing one right now and I love it, y'all. Like, I really, really do. So I do have some swatches on my hand for you guys. I also showed you guys them on my lips without any lip liner, because most of the times I wear these without lip liner because you don't need to wear lip liner with these types of glosses. But you could always wear lip liner with them if you want to take that look to the next level. I do wear lip liner with glosses when I want that type of look, but you don't need to. Anyways, if you want to see those swatches and glosses, keep on watching. So let's get into these glosses. So this is the package here, y'all. This package is so beautiful. It reminds me of like New York holiday season. And this tin is definitely reusable, so I love that. I will definitely be using this tin, y'all. Like, this is reusable stuff. This reminds me of those cookie tins where your mom puts the thread in. So yeah. Anyways, all right guys, I'm so excited. These are the new colors. One of those, Fussy, is an old shade, but everything else is brand new. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, these look so pigmented. I'm ready. I'm gonna start from light to dark. So the first shade I'm gonna use is Confetti. Confetti looks iridescent. This is what it looks like. This is beautiful. This one is similar to Diamond Milk, but I think it has a lot more blue iridescent sparkle to it than Diamond Milk does. Really beautiful. Can't tell me nothing, okay? All right, so next we have Fussy. So Fussy is a shade that already exists and I do love it. So I'm gonna use Fussy right now. So this is Fussy, and Fussy is beautiful. It has a slight hint of pink to it. My favorite way to wear Fussy is kind of like over a pinkish lipstick, or like even a nude lipstick. It turns it into like a nudie pink. It's really, really pretty. Love this color. It's one of my favorites. I love the Gloss Bomb formula. So the next shade I'm gonna use is called Hot Chocolate. Is it hot chocolate? Yes, because it's lit. All right, it's lit. It's Fenty. It's lit. Okay, so this is a brown shade. I'm really excited about this shade because I feel like I'm gonna love it, but let's see. This is pretty. This is Hot Chocolate. I think it's really pretty. I do wish this shade was a little bit more pigmented. Like, I wish it had a little bit more brown to it. It's really pretty, but I wish it had more brown. Like, I like it. I do like it a lot, y'all. But I just wish it had a little bit more brown. Like, it looks really brown in here, but like, it doesn't look as brown on my lips. I do love it though. Like, I'm gonna wear it for sure. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see. I'm actually gonna swatch all of these, but this is what Hot Chocolate looks like on my skin. I'm gonna swatch it next to Fussy. This is Fussy here. I'm also gonna swatch Confetti. This is Confetti. So you can see they're definitely different, but you know, I just wish it had a little bit more brown because okay, I love it though. I'm definitely gonna wear this one tonight, I think. Let's try the other 2 on the. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I just, you know, I was expecting some more brown. Like, when I kiss the paper, this is how much brown I get out of it. It's not a lot, as much as I expected it to be. The next shade I'm gonna use is called Pretty Please, and it's a nice hot pink shade. I'm excited about this one also because I love pink glosses. Ooh, this is nice. Now this one has that pigment that I was, you know, expecting. Wow. This is the most pigmented one so far. You can tell that it's pink. Like, you could definitely tell. This is really pretty. I love this one. This is definitely going in my work bag because I'm about to wear it all week. I need a full size of this one, y'all. Like this one got me feeling myself. Like, I'm feeling myself. Oh, hey girl. This one will have you feeling yourself. Like, this one is gonna put you in that. This is definitely gonna be worn by me for the whole week because I really love that color. It's so pretty. Pretty please. Yes. So far, that was my favorite. I thought it was gonna be chocolate, but pretty please, I'm feeling that one. The next one I'm gonna try is the last shade. It's called Cheeky, and it's a beautiful like corally orange shade. So I'm excited because I love these colors. I think I said that about every shade so far, but I like every shade, I guess. All right, this one is also pigmented. I love this one too. Let me do a nice swatch because my swatch looks kind of crazy. So this is that one swatch next to the other four. Oh my gosh, this is definitely the look. I'm wearing this one tonight because it goes with the purple. I mean, yeah, purple and the orangey and the orange kind of eye I got going on. Definitely gonna wear this tonight. I love this one. All right, so these are all 5 shades of the lip glosses. I think they look so good. My favorites, as you guys heard, are Pretty Please and whatever that orange one was called is called Cheeky. So Pretty Please and Cheeky are my 2 favorites. They look so bomb, so beautiful. I still do love chocolate. I just feel like it needs a little bit more pigment, but I will try it over like a nude lipstick. I think I will like it best over like that combo. These are my 2 new favorite gloss bombs. Like, I love these more than the original already because it gives me like a beautiful color and it's not too much. Like, it still looks like natural, but it just has that pop of color that I need when I want to feel a little bit more, you know, cheeky. See what I did there? Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Rihanna, for giving us new products every day. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Give me a thumbs up. Bye. Peace.